What's up? How was class?
It was okay. I just found I had a test today.
Dang, that's tough.
Hey guys, have you seen this hallway? There's literally a missing tile in the ceiling.
Wait, really? Why isn't there anyone fixing this?
I don't even know. I wonder what we could do to fix this.
Oh wait, I think there is something we can do. I saw a poster from student board that talked about these issues.
But how can we fill it out?
Here's your quick, simple, step-by-step tutorial. Firstly, you'll find a flyer that is hung up around the school. The poster should look like this. Then, scan the QR code with your phone.
Second, enter your email, first and last name, select the area or room number, leave a description of the problem, then upload a picture of the problem.
Lastly, submit.
Whoa, that's actually simple and quick.
Yeah, it is, but I have a question. Who will be reviewing these forms and how do we know if they actually be fixed?
The Student Board of Education's Buildings and Grounds Committee will email you once you submitted your request and once your request has been completed. If you notice the issue hasn't been fixed, or if you have any questions or concerns, please contact the email below with the date and time that your request was submitted so that attention can be brought to it.
Along with our great team, we have Mr. Garrett, who is in charge of the maintenance and upkeep of each school in District 205, and also works to ensure that each school is a nice environment to learn in.
Whoa, thank you for educating us on what we can do for our school.
Wait, I have a friend at Thornton who has a building concern. Is there something she can do too?
Of course, all three schools, Thornton, Thornridge, and Thornwood, have the same resource to help develop their school for the environment that they deserve. As we know, the students know what's best for all three schools, so it's important to take advantage of the resource to fix our schools little by little.
Oh, hi, Mr. Garrett.
Hi, Audrey.
We're just here educating these students about our plan to improve District 205.
That's awesome. District 205 cares a lot about your school experience and wants to make sure that we correct issues like this in a fast, timely manner. And that is why we use SchoolDo as our district's maintenance software.
All right, guys. Well, it's time for us to go home. Have a wonderful day. Hope the information helped.
You too.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
So how would we even do this? What makes this things and the people?